Hi, I'm Jen. I'm a medical esthetician for over 20 years, and I love trying new products and letting my clients know what I like and what I don't, and if it would be good for them. And I recently started the Allure Beauty Box, and I wanted to do a review of the April box and then also unbox the May box for you really quickly while I'm at work, while I had some time. So in the April box, they had given this Rhodial Blood Orange Hyaluronic Mask, and when I initially previewed it, I immediately thought of my MyShell hydrating sleep or hydrating mask, which I use as a sleep mask, and then this you can use as a sleep mask as well. So again, as my initial thoughts, this one is fine, but it's 2 ounces, so 60 ml for like $58. This is 1.2 ounces for $18. Even if you double the size of this, it's still less expensive than this one. And I actually like the ingredients in this one better. This one has fragrance. This one's fragrance free. So if you're looking for a sleep mask to try, I would try the MyShell one before investing in something like this. But again, if you are getting the beauty box, I think it's, it's a good product, and and you'll like it. But I wouldn't invest $58 in it. I don't think it's worth it. And then the other products in the box were totally fine. It came with a razor, which is fine, and it came with like for eyeshadow stick, which like I don't really wear eyeshadow. I have it on today. I don't know if you can tell, but it's fine. It's like 20 bucks if you're looking for an eyeshadow stick. I'm sure there's less expensive ones, and I think it's a little more time consuming than just like putting on one color of eyeshadow. But again, it's fine. The one product I did have a problem with in the box is this Avant, I don't know, Shea Butter Hyaluronic cream. So, I mean, it feels nice on the hand, but I'm prone to acne, and anything with shea butter is occlusive and can cause breakouts. So that's a problem if you're prone to breakouts. And I break out on my face, my neck, and my chest. So I really wasn't even comfortable trying this. And that's the problem with these non-customized beauty boxes, is if you have any kind of sensitivity or rosacea or prone to breakouts, like you really need to be careful and kind of know your ingredients, which is why I'm doing these videos, to try and help you out, to just give you a top line on things like this. So shea butter, occlusive, it's getting hot here on the East Coast and other states. So it's going to even be more occlusive if you're sweating and have this on. Even at night, like I'm going through menopause, so I sweat at night, and this would just be like really bad for me. The other product I wanted to comment on was this Oveda Botanical Overnight Hair Serum. I'm a big fan of overnight repair products for the face, so I was intrigued by this. But first of all, the directions are that you have to comb it through. And on the days like I let my hair air dry and it's wavy, like I'm not really wanting to bring a comb through my hair because it's going to be like crazy. And I'm sure people that have curly hair are in that same situation. So the directions for this are going to be problematic if you have curly or wavy hair and you don't want to be combing it before you go to bed at night. When it's dry, it's apply to almost dry hair. So if you're going to comb almost curly dry hair, that's like a disaster. So, and I think it's pretty pricey. Obviously it's Aveda, it's a good product line, but there definitely are alternatives. But I don't really think you need an overnight repair serum for your hair if you're applying like products when your hair is wet, because most of them have repairing ingredients and then now hydrating oils and things to protect your hair from the heat. So I don't know if it's worth the investment unless you just don't apply anything to your hair and then, have straight hair and then want something. But again, I think you could find something less expensive. So overall, I think the box is fine. My big take home from the April box would be to try the MyShell Hyaluronic Mask. Very inexpensive. It's a really good product. I use it as a sleep mask. I'll link it. It's in my Amazon store, but I think that's it for April. So now I want to do an unboxing of the May box and let you know what I think about that, my first thoughts as a skincare specialist. So really quick, I wanted to go through my May Allure beauty box. So doing facials for over 20 years, I wanted to just read kind of what it says on the box here from Allure. And it says, "We know beauty best. Allure has been a touchstone in the beauty industry for more than 30 years. We literally invented beauty journalism back when the first issue of Allure was published, and we've been critically evaluating beauty products and their ingredient list ever since. It's in our DNA to be picky. Every single product that goes inside our Allure beauty box has been vetted, researched, and selected by our editors. Each box is a culmination of all that knowledge and testing with the aim of bringing exciting new products and tried and true favorites to your door every month. Hope you love it as much as we do." So it's just interesting because I've been doing facials for over 20 years, and it's in my DNA doing skin, touching people's faces, analyzing their skin, knowing ingredients, knowing what works and doesn't work for certain skin types. So when beauty editors say it's like in their DNA, it's funny to me, and nothing to mock beauty editors. It's just a different, approach and different knowledge base to when you're an esthetician and actually work on people and utilize these ingredients like day after day. So there's definitely a different way about looking at ingredients and products from that perspective. And that's kind of why I'm doing a review of these boxes, so that you get, someone more experienced in ingredients and products giving you their feedback on what they're giving you. So let's get started on the May box really quickly. So they'll give you a brochure of the products inside. So the first thing are these Mighty Patches, which my 11-year-old daughter currently uses, and she likes them, but they do not work because she still has acne, because she will not listen to me about what products to use because she only thinks TikTok knows better. So that's a whole other video, and that's a whole other problem we could talk about later. And message me if you have that problem, if you're an esthetician and your daughter or son thinks that they know better than you because they watch TikTok and think that Drunk Elephant is the be all end all because she still has acne all over her face. So obviously, it's not. Okay, so moving on to this revitalizing mask. So I'm a big fan of these sleep masks. This mask, when I was, yeah, it's $13, which is super expensive for a mask like this. I like the image masks and also Patchology masks, way less expensive than $13 per, and you usually get a lot more serum in the bag. So I'm curious how much serum is in here. I love things like this for travel because you can use the mask and then also use the serum throughout your trip, and it's like amazing. So I keep you posted on that. You can come in. Hold on 1 second.